Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable models in your GitHub repository in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, for this method, you will need to access your repository settings. To do that, navigate to your repository in GitHub. After that, what you want to do is click into your profile icon in the top right and select settings. Inside your repository settings, guys, or you may simply navigate to that settings button here, to your repository settings. From there, navigate to the models tab here on the left hand side. And here switch the default status, which is disabled, to enabled. And that's it. And now you can use them, for example, for your issues and projects inside your repository. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.